Hi there, what I want to talk to you today about is black gold Texas tea oil. Where does oil come from? It comes from the ground. And how was it formed? Well, millions and millions of years ago, that's a long time ago. Organisms, plankton, vegetation, trees, etc., animals, it rots and decays, and under elevated temperature, elevated pressure, it breaks down to form oil. What is oil? Oil is simply a mixture of hydrocarbons, and guess what a hydrocarbon is? It's simply something that consists of hydrogen and carbon. And hydrogen and carbon form many, many long-chained and short-chained compounds. There's two processes which you need to know about, and these are fractional distillation. Let me write it down. Fractional distillation. Fractional distillation and cracking. What is fractional distillation? What is cracking? Fractional distillation is simply breaking down or separating the contents of oil into smaller fractions. And cracking is taking longer chained hydrocarbons and splitting it up into smaller hydrocarbons. For example, oil consists of gases, liquids and solids. And if I increase the temperature, the gases come off first, then the liquids, and you're left with the solids. Cracking, for a simple example, if I took a long-chained hydrocarbon, that it's long, is a very, very simple example. I cracked it, maybe I split it into those two smaller hydrocarbon chains. I'll be talking more about that in a later video. Let's look more into fractional distillation. On the industrial scale, oil comes out the ground and then it's pumped off to a refinery where it's then put into a fractionating column. And let me draw a very simple fractionating column. And when I say simple, I mean simple. This is what happens is crude oil is pumped into this column. That column is heated. I'm just going to draw a coil is heated. So this contains the mixture of the hydrocarbons, the oils, and it's being heated, and this is 350 degrees C, and at the top of it it's 25 degrees C. What happens is the gases volatile, low boiling points, they come off first. So that's the liquid petroleum gas. And the next thing that comes off is the petrols. And what comes off next is the kerosenes. Hello, kerosene, can't spell it. And then we've got the diesels. And then we've got I've forgotten. Shit. Hello?
Can I come in?
Yes.
Thank you.
What do you want?
I need to get a few things out. And at some point, I'm going to have to bring these puddings in about half an hour.
I won't be here then.
Oh,
To
okay.
see Nick.
Oh, that's fine. That's
I've had about 10 takes of this today.
What's that on?